Today I am going to discuss the most important topic that you can use in your daily life, that is probability. So let's start it. If you toss a coin, you can see here, if you toss a coin, what is the chance you will get a head? Or if you roll a dice, what is the chance you will get 6? Or another question, it may rain today. In all these events, that is some uncertainty, randomness. We are not sure of the result, and for this we use the concept of probability. So probability is the measurement of uncertainty. Suppose if you toss a coin, probability of heads is 50%. 50% means 50% means 50 upon 100, or we can say 1 upon 2 or 0.5. After toss a coin, there are two possibilities or two outcomes here. It could either be a head or a tail. And you want head, so one outcome is in our favor here. So probability of head is 1 upon 2, where 1 is number of favorable outcome, and 2 is total number of outcome. So the formula of probability of an event is number of favorable outcome upon total number of outcome, or we can say total number of possibilities or sample space. So again we ask you question, what is the chance of getting 5 in a dice total number of possibilities 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So we can write here total outcomes, or total number of possibility, total outcomes is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, but favorable outcome is only 5. So probability of getting 5 is number of favorable outcome upon total number of outcome. So my favorable outcome is only 1, that is 5, upon total number of outcomes, that is 6. So possibilities of getting 5 is 1 upon 6. Again another question, what is the probability of getting 7? So you can see here total number of outcomes 1 2 3 4 5 6. So total outcomes is 1 2 3 4 5. See what we cannot see here, 7. So number of favorable outcome is not here, that is 7, so it is 0. So number of, or we can say probability of getting 7 in a dice, that is 0 upon 6 means 0. Again another example, What is the probability of not getting 5? What is the probability of not getting 5 means probability of getting 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. So my favorable outcomes here, favorable outcomes is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Total number of outcomes, total outcomes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So probability of not getting 5 is 1 upon 5 upon 6. That is called complementary of an event.